Welcome to Are We Alike? As the thumbnail suggests, today we will be looking for the Xlookup function in Excel. So the requirements would be a lookup, a predefined arrays. This is the predefined where the company ID and the company names are mentioned. And we require the company name as per the company ID, which is already written over there. So for the XLOOKUP part, we will start with XLOOKUP. As this pops up, you can always press tab. And the first thing which Excel is asking is the lookup value. So lookup value is the value for which value should we look for, or what value should Excel look for. So this is the lookup value, and the second one is lookup array. So this value where the Excel will find this value is the lookup array. So Excel will find it over this array. So this will be the lookup array. And the next thing which Excel is asking is the return array. So return array would be what Excel will return. So we want company names. So company name array is this. We will select this array and we will press enter, and the things and it will reflect the company name. So the three things is Excel will ask for each time you use the XLOOKUP. The first thing is lookup value. Lookup value is the value for which you want Excel to return a value for something. So this value, lookup value, will be available in a lookup array. This array has F002, which is a lookup value, and the look return array is a array where the values are predefined uh, as for this example, which is it is a company name. So company is Adani Green. As we press enter, it should reflect Adani Green. So yeah, it is working, and you can always double click on here to fill the hand as the fill handle. So for the each company ID, we get the company names. This is the function of XLOOKUP. You can use it